The AR-15 rifle stands as a hallmark of modular firearm design, offering unparalleled versatility across various shooting disciplines. Originally developed in the 1950s by Armalite as a lighter alternative to traditional combat rifles, its design was later adopted and modified by Colt. Today, the AR-15 has evolved into a highly customizable platform, beloved by sports shooters, hunters, and defense-oriented users alike. Its lightweight, air-cooled, gas-operated, magazine-fed system allows for a wide array of calibers, barrel lengths, and accessories, making it one of the most popular rifles in the United States. Esteemed for its accuracy, reliability, and adaptability, the AR-15 caters to a broad spectrum of shooting activities, solidifying its status as a quintessential American rifle. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best AR-15 rifles that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 7. Sig Sauer M400 Tread. If you're looking for a jack-of-all-trades that isn't your average starter rifle, then the SIG M400 Tread just might be the right rifle for you. The Tread does just about anything and does it for a very reasonable price. The SIG M400 Tread stands out as a versatile AR-15, ideal for a range of activities from hunting and 3-gun competitions to recreational shooting and defense. It offers high-quality features at a reasonable price, including a free-floating M-LOK handguard for accessory mounting, an ambidextrous safety, and an integrated QD mount for slings. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, it features a 16-inch stainless steel barrel with a 3-prong flash hider and a 1-to-8 twist rate, enhancing durability, corrosion resistance, and accuracy. The mid-length gas system ensures smooth operation and reduced recoil, while the SIG Matchlight 2-stage trigger and Magpul SLK telescoping stock improve control and fit. Weighing 6.5 pounds, it includes a detachable carry handle with A2-style sights, and the trigger offers a smooth operation with a clean break. The M400 Tread combines functionality and upgrade potential, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced AR-15 users seeking quality and value. Number 6. Ruger AR-556. The Ruger AR-556 semi-auto rifle offers a blend of traditional and advanced features for versatile shooting experiences. It utilizes a direct impingement system and is designed for rapid adjustability with a 6-position M4-style buttstock, accommodating various operational needs and environments. The rifle includes a heat-resistant, glass-filled nylon tactical handguard, and its medium contour barrel is cold hammer forged with a 1-to-8-inch twist rate, stabilizing a wide range of bullet weights. The rifle is equipped with a Ruger flash suppressor, an anodized flat-top upper receiver made from aerospace-grade 7075 T6 aluminum, and comes with features like a forward assist, dust cover, brass reflector, and a rapid deploy folding rear sight alongside an A2-style adjustable front sight. Additionally, a variant of the AR-556 features a free-floating M-LOK handguard on a rifle-length gas system, CNC upper and lower receivers, an ergonomic polymer pistol grip, and a collapsible M4-style buttstock. Its upper receiver integrates accessory attachment slots, complemented by a flat-top rail design for optics. The rifle's single-stage trigger, chrome-plated bolt carrier, and gas key highlight its durability and smooth operation. The barrel, with a 1-to-8-inch twist ratio, is optimized for accuracy across a range of bullet weights, and is finished with a Ruger radial port flash suppressor, enhancing its performance and adaptability to aftermarket accessories. Number 5. S&W M&P-15 Sport II. The Smith & Wesson M&P-15 Sport II rifle is an affordable AR-style semi-automatic rifle designed for both recreational shooters and tactical enthusiasts. It features forward assist and dust cover for enhanced reliability in harsh conditions, constructed from 7075 T6 aluminum with a hard coat black anodized finish for durability. The rifle has a full Picatinny rail, integral trigger guard, and a barrel with an Armornite finish and a 1-to-9-inch twist rate. Maintenance is simplified with chromed gas key, bolt carrier, and firing pin. It has a 6-position telescoping buttstock for custom fit, Magpul folding M-bus rear sight, and an adjustable A2 post front sight, ensuring compatibility with most AR-15 components and accessories. The barrel, treated with phosphate, supports the rifle's accuracy and heat dissipation, ensuring a steady performance without being too heavy. The M&P 15 Sport II is available with iron sights or a Crimson Trace red dot optic, following the classic M4 platform with an adjustable buttstock and a government profile barrel for enhanced steadiness and heat management, making it a durable choice for a wide range of applications. Number 4. Radian Model 1. The Radian Model 1 is a high-quality semi-automatic rifle made in the USA, designed for precision and versatility with fully ambidextrous controls catering to both left and right-handed shooters. Its unique handguard, secured with 4 bolts and a stainless steel pin, features full-length Picatinny slots and M-lock slots at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position for accessory attachment, while its skeletonized design aids in barrel cooling and reduces weight. The rifle is visually distinct with Radian logos and a magazine well designed for Magpul P-Mags. Functionality shines through in its design, with oversized and textured controls for easy operation and a Magpul MOE K2 grip and SLK stock for comfort and efficiency. The Model 1 includes a Silencer Co. ASR flash hider suppressor mount and a 14.5-inch barrel, achieving a legal overall length without necessitating an NFA tax stamp, albeit with some limitations on muzzle device compatibility. The proprietary Vertex trigger offers a crisp, clean break with no take-up, and when combined with a match-grade 416R stainless steel barrel, enables sub-MOA accuracy even with standard 55-grain FMJ ammunition, demonstrating its superior performance and adaptability. Number 3. LWRC M61C. The LWRC M61C is a standout rifle, praised for its combination of features at a reasonable price, making it a top recommendation. This rifle is distinguished by its custom grip, similar to the Magpul K grip, with a slightly tacky texture for improved handling. Its most notable aspects are the ambidextrous controls, including a safety switch, magazine release, and slide stop release, enhancing functionality for both left and right-handed shooters. The magazine release is innovative, featuring a standard button on the right and a paddle on the left for ambidextrous operation. The charging handle is designed for ease of use with large pull tabs, and the rifle is equipped with a nickel boron trigger for a clean break without tack-up. The LWRC M61C's barrel features a distinctive spiral flute, reducing weight and adding to its aesthetic appeal. Although the proprietary handguard limits accessory attachment options, it comes equipped with rail panels and a hand stop for convenience. Optics compatibility varies based on intended use, with the rifle accommodating scopes or red dot sights. Despite its few cons, like the proprietary handguard system, the LWRC M61C's overall design and functionality make it an excellent choice for those seeking a quality firearm with enhanced features. Number 2. Daniel Defense DD-M4 V7. Daniel Defense's DD-M4 V7 semi-auto rifle is a premium AR-15 style firearm known for its advanced features and versatility in various calibers and configurations. The rifle boasts a CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum handguard with a Type 3 hard coat anodized finish and M-lock attachment slots, complemented by an uninterrupted 1913 Picatinny rail for seamless accessory mounting. Its 6-position buttstock and pistol grip feature a comfortable glass-filled polymer construction with soft-touch overmolding. The mil-spec upper and lower receivers are crafted from 7075 T6 aluminum, ensuring durability and precision, with added conveniences like a flared magwell and QD swivel attachment point. The 16-inch cold hammer forged chrome moly vanadium steel barrel is chrome-lined for longevity, featuring a 1:7 twist rate for optimal bullet stabilization and a heavy phosphate exterior coating. The mid-length gas system ensures reliable cycling and reduced recoil, enhancing the rifle's performance under various conditions. Equipped with Daniel Defense's proprietary flash suppressor and an MFR 15.0 rail for extensive accessory compatibility, the DD-M4 V7 offers an ergonomic design with ambidextrous charging handles, making it suitable for both left and right-handed shooters, and positions itself as a high-end choice for enthusiasts seeking top-tier AR-15 functionality and customization options. Number 1. UIC Mod 2. The UIC Mod 2 carbine, the flagship of American Defense Manufacturing's rifle line, is constructed from billet aluminum with fully ambidextrous upper and lower receivers, designed to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. Its barrel, made from ordnance-grade steel, features a chrome-lined chamber and bore for enhanced accuracy, corrosion resistance, and longevity. Equipped with a Griffin armament flash comp for muzzle stability and suppressor compatibility, the carbine guarantees superior recoil control. The UIC Mod 2 offers two fore-end options, an M-LOK-compatible slick rail and a ADM low-light rail, both machined from 6061 T6 aluminum for durability and ease of accessory attachment. The carbine includes a robust 316 stainless steel gas tube designed for AK-47 level durability, ensuring confidence in the rifle's strength. Further enhancing its functionality, the UIC Mod 2 features an ambidextrous magazine release, bolt catch, and selector switch, along with a lower receiver that incorporates a 20-degree competition-style magwell for quick magazine changes. The ADM adjustable two-stage match trigger, made from D2 tool steel, offers customizable pull weight, pre-travel, and over-travel, setting a new standard for precision in AR-style carbines. The rifle's advanced charging handle and receiver end plate round out its fully ambidextrous controls, showcasing ADM's commitment to innovative and high-quality manufacturing. The AR-15 rifle, with its rich history and unparalleled adaptability, remains a cornerstone of American firearms culture. Celebrated for its precision, modularity, and wide-ranging applications, from sports shooting to home defense, the AR-15 embodies a spirit of innovation, continuing to inspire enthusiasts and shape the future of shooting sports. However, getting the best AR-15 rifles is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users a best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.